Hi, good day. M6250. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, my name is Mary Grace Macero. I'm 30 years old. I have living partner with one child. She is 2 years old. And I am college graduate of Associate Computer Technology. And
Okay, tell me about your experiences as a helper.
my experience doing a helper since uh, May 2016 to 2018, I have served four, and we have a couple and 2 years old and 5 years old. And also I have experience being a helper since April 2020 and October 2018. And also
October 2022 and April 2020, right?
2020, 2022.
Okay, and other household chores that you do?
My other household chores is like house cleaning, cooking, laundry, ironing the clothes, and marketing, and car washing, and gardening. And also, my main duties are taking of the children and babies.
Okay, so you are the one who taking care of the babies and also the children. So since you have an experience taking care of a baby which is 1 year old, so you know how to prepare a milk for a baby, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature and feed the baby and also change the diaper.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you do all your best, but the baby is still crying, what will you do?
I will call my employer and I will say the baby stop crying.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because Hong Kong is the safest place and high salary to to provide the needs of my family and also my home.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer is staying.
Okay, so it is okay to you to extended your contract.
Yes.
Do you know how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn, like watching videos, YouTube, and reading the books, and also ask my employer to uh, ask my employer
Ask your employer to teach you.
to, to teach me.
Okay, so it is okay. That's the right thing you should do. If you don't know how to prepare Chinese food, you could also ask your madam and sir if they could teach you how to prepare some Chinese cuisines, right? If your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper.
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly?
Yes.
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because promise I am honest and trustworthy and also hardworking also works.
Okay, can you also promise to take good care of their children as your own
Yes.
and follow the rules and regulations of their house?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Mary Grace. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.